Another important pro tip na gusto ko pong ibigay. Wala pong mga bata dito. But usually, our toothbrushing habit, we most likely got it from our parents. Kung nakikita natin ganyan mag-brush, malamang ganun din tayo mag-brush. At ganun din tayo nakikita ng mga anak nating mag-brush. Are we showing them that we are enjoying what we are doing? No. So, unconsciously, na-adapt nila yan. At paglaki nila, ganun din. So, we need to change something in our practice. We have to show them how enjoyable it is to brush your teeth. So, slow and gentle and careful. Hindi nagmamadali. And then, we duplicate that good habit. And with that, we improve our oral health. And when we improve our oral health, we prevent ourselves from having the systemic diseases or worsening the systemic diseases that we get from other things. Okay, so this is a gentle reminder. Bilang dentista po, dental treatment is not expensive. Hindi nga. Of course. If you go to the clinic na maganda ang ngipin nyo, wala namang problema yung ngipin ko. Ba't ako pupunta sa dentista? Di ba ganon? No. Please. Cleaning is just how much. And you do it only twice a year. Yung PV nyo nga, ginagastusan nyo eh. Si doktora nangongonsensya. Alam ko po yan. So, pagka may ganyan na, pwede pa po yung isave. Medyo mahal ng konti. Sure, it's okay. At least, it can go a long way. But pag ganyan na, mura lang naman ang bunot, doktora. It is. But you have to replace that. You have to replace the function. You have to replace the beauty. We have a lot of beauty products and it will be shared sa next na presentation. But please do not neglect when you smile. Ano yung sabi nila? The smile is the most beautiful makeup you wear? Something like that. So, never mind the veneers. You can have that as much as you want. But please, make your oral health healthy first, okay? So before you have those braces and other things, go back to the basic and use the Atomy products and share the proper way of using the Atomy toothpaste, toothbrush, supplements. Okay po ba tayo? Yes, thank you po. So, take care of you and your loved ones' oral health by choosing the Atomy way. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. This is Cherry Litawan.